Control Tower is a means of managing and spinning up new environments in AWS. So it lets you as an organization apply standards to what your AWS environment looks like, lets you apply compliance and conformance to all those accounts. It lets you build up what that account strategy looks like. So managing a multitude of AWS accounts to represent different business entities or units within your organization.
Control Tower is a really awesome tool because it does enable a sort of standard set of rules across multiple AWS accounts and environments. So it's easiest to get started with Control Tower if you don't have any AWS accounts already. But if you do have AWS accounts, you can still import them into Control Tower and sort of apply that broad governance across all of those accounts. It takes advantage of the fact that you set rules that are supposed to apply everywhere, and it will apply those rules everywhere. So that's really beneficial when it comes to a security standpoint. You don't want to start spinning up new AWS accounts and have them not have certain security rules in place because someone forgot to do that. So using things like Control Tower and their account vending machine style methodology, you can create those accounts all within that realm of governance. And you are sure that all of the security rules that you always want to have enforced everywhere are going to be applied every time you create a new account. And Control Tower also benefits from a cost perspective because typically what we like to do is separate environments based on account. It makes it a lot easier to track resource usage. It makes it easier to track costs associated with a specific environment. So if your dev environment all of a sudden starts costing a lot of money, you can stop it right there and kind of find ways to improve those processes without moving it all into your production account. And it creates those delineations more cleanly.
So Caylent has obviously a ton of expertise in running Control Tower and building conformance packs. So building those means of applying structure to your accounts, applying compliance to your accounts. We have that codified and we're able to take advantage of that to move you quickly into the state that you need to be as an organization. So using Terraform, using infrastructure as code to really accelerate that through and then using that to help educate you and your team so that you're able to take advantage of that and expand upon it once it's in place. Caylent has a concept of catalysts, which are accelerants. Like they're a means of getting you as a customer off the ground faster, accelerating into AWS, building workloads. Think of them as small components or small building blocks that really set you up for success. So Control Tower is where we started, just because without a foundation in AWS, without a strong place to build upon, really success can be difficult, right? So building that up first lets you build up your other workloads, lets you move forward at the pace that you need.